Hello everyone. This video is addressing wrongful termination in Brooklyn, New York. And the question is, what is wrongful termination in New York State? Essentially in New York State, we're an at-will employment state. So if your boss doesn't like you because he thinks you're a jerk or he doesn't like the way you work, even if he or she is wrong about that, even if it's unfair, that might still, probably is still illegal termination. Now, it's a wrongful termination in a couple circumstances. One, if you have a collective bargaining agreement or a union that protects your job. They can't just fire you likely. They probably have to go through a hearing and arbitration process. If you have an employment contract that guarantees you employment, in that situation, your boss might not be able to just fire you. That might not be what the contract calls for. And the last area is going to be discrimination and retaliation. If you're being fired and it's motivated by age, race, national origin, gender, sexual orientation, transgender, disability, anything of that sort, religion, any of those, that's discrimination. It's not legal. It's not legal on the federal level. It's not legal in New York State. If you complain about any of those things and they retaliate against you, that's illegal as well. That's most likely a wrongful termination. If you blow the whistle on your employer, if you report them to OSHA, if you seek overtime that your employer hasn't paid you, that is retaliation. That is a form of coming after you because you're doing the right thing. That could be a wrongful termination too. If you're dealing with any of those circumstances and you've been fired, you should definitely call an experienced employment attorney right away. Schedule a free consultation, find out your rights, make sure you're protecting yourself. I hope this helps.